Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Maryam Sajjad from CID News Network, Islamabad. Pakistan launches first polio vaccination campaign of 2021. A 5-day national polio immunization drive starts today, January 11, to vaccinate over 40 million children under the age of 5 across Pakistan. A supplementary dose of vitamin A drops will also be administered to children aged 6 to 59 months during the campaign. This will help build general immunity among children to protect them from polio and other diseases. In New Delhi, Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Monday will interact with chief ministers of all states via video conferencing to discuss the COVID-19 situation and coronavirus vaccination rollout. COVID-19 vaccine. Each vaccine vial with 10 doses must be used within 4 hours of opening. Mass vaccination centers to open in England. Thousands more people will receive a COVID-19 vaccine this week as 7 mass centers open across England. The government is aiming to vaccinate 15 million people in the UK, the over 70s healthcare workers, those required to shield by mid-February. China brings a new law to fight Trump's sanctions. China is pushing back against a flurry of US sanctions with new rules that protect its firms from unjustified foreign laws. US President Donald Trump has continued to target Chinese companies he believes are a threat to US national security. Measures include punishing companies that supply parts to blacklisted firms. Crown Prince Mohammed bin Salman launches new city at Saudi Arabia's Neom. Saudi Arabia's Crown Prince Mohammed bin Salman on Sunday revealed plans for a new city, the mega project on the Red Sea. Plans for the city include no cars or street and zero carbon emissions. Prince Mohammed said construction will begin before the end of the March.
You are watching CID News Network, Islamabad.